Hello everyone, welcome back to Express Video for All. Today we are going to discuss the most important question from Module 1 on the topic of power supply block diagram. So the question is, what is regulated power supply? With need diagram, block diagram, summarize the working of DC power supply. Also mention the principal components used in each block. First we will discuss what is regulated power supply, and we need to explain also block diagrams and the principal components being used in that. So the first is, what is regulated power supply? It is a power supply system that converts the AC input voltage into a stable and constant DC output voltage, irrespective of variations in input voltage, load current or temperature. So the main function of this is to convert the AC input voltage into a stable and constant DC voltage in respect to variations in input voltage, load current and temperature. So next we will see block diagram of regulated DC power supply. So the first component being used to convert the alternating current into a direct current, the first step is to make it in a low voltage form. This function is performed by step down transformer. So it will convert according to the voltage required. So from high to low. Next it will transfer into the rectifier. So here the low voltage AC current will be converted into a unsmoothed DC current. Here it will convert it into a DC current, but it is in a unsmooth form. So to make it in a smooth form, the reservoir smoothing filter being used. So when transferring the DC current unsmooth into this component, it will make it in a smooth direct current. Next it will transfer into the next voltage regulator, which it helps in maintaining this voltage current in a regulated form. So unregulated AC current being transformed into a regulated DC current. So we will see the function of each block diagram in a, you need to explain it in what is the function of each component. So first we will see what is function of transformer. As I explained now, it will convert high AC main voltage into a required low AC voltage. Next, rectifier. Rectifier will step down this AC voltage into a pulsating DC voltage. Means it is unsmooth DC voltage. So to make it in a smooth DC current, the filter being used, it will remove the unwanted small waves which is present in the currents, yet it will convert it into a smooth DC form. And to maintain this smooth DC form, and output should be in regulated form, to fulfill this, the voltage regulator is used. So as we need to explain each component functions of conversion in the process of AC to DC. So next we need to explain the principal components in each block used. So in transformer we are using step down transformer. In rectifier we will use PN diodes. In filter, capacitor, indicators, RC or LC filters. In regulator, Xeno diode. These are the components being used for the conversion of alternating current to DC current. Next we need to explain the conclusion part. Here you should explain only 2 points, that it is important in electronic circuits, so because it's to ensure the reliable and stable DC current so the device can perform properly. So like this you need to explain in exam to get full marks. So thank you for watching our video. Please like, share and subscribe Express Video for All.